Hola amigos, I'm Javier Ortiz, a traveling filmmaker and drone cinematographer, currently spending 2 months traveling around the entire coast of Spain and Portugal. I explored Antoni Gaudi's masterworks of architecture like La Sagrada Familia, but first make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep up with these Iberian adventures as I release vlogs from various regions of Spain and Portugal. Vámonos! I'm on my way to La Sagrada Familia with my friend Sealskin. I've explored around the church a few times on my previous trips, but this will be my first time inside the church to experience the stained glass windows. I got the earliest ticket I could at 9 to get the morning light just beaming through the windows to get the color beaming, so stay tuned for some videos from that. Ciao! La Sagrada Familia is Barcelona's most visited attraction. 4.5 million people per year visit the interior of the church, and even 3 times more people explore the exterior for photos and videos. La Sagrada Familia was built in 1882 by Antoni Gaudi, and over the last 140 years it's still under construction. This is mostly due to the fact that during the Spanish Civil War, most of the blueprints and models for the plan were burned and destroyed. Antoni Gaudi actually died in 1926, 44 years later at the age of 74, when he was run over by a tram observing La Sagrada Familia. And since then, all the architects that have taken the lead on this project have really just been trying to figure out what exactly Antoni Gaudi had planned in making this ethereal and cosmic creation. Pricing to enter La Sagrada Familia starts at €26 and goes up to €40 if you want to go up one of the towers or get a guided tour. But it's free on holidays, and you can even attend Mass every Sunday for free as well. They say La Sagrada Familia should be finished by 2026. Now Gaudi rests in the crypt below La Sagrada Familia, forever entombed in his masterpiece creation. Now I still feel that the best time to go in La Sagrada Familia is first thing in the morning at 9 a.m. because of the morning light beaming through the beautiful stained glass windows, and pretty much any time after 10 and midday is just immensely full of people. So if you can't make it at 9 a.m., I'd also try to make it closer to the later hours around sunset, where the light is also beaming through the other side of the church. Margo is here channeling the angelic light and space of the basilica. It's got a cosmic energy that surrounds you and makes you feel like you're on another planet. I hope you'll keep up with my Iberian Adventures series as Margo and I road trip around the entire coast of Spain and Portugal in a camper van, creating amazing visuals and connecting with the nature around us. I hope I've inspired you to visit Spain, visit Barcelona, and when you do visit Barcelona, make sure to visit La Sagrada Familia. Stay tuned for more episodes from the Iberian Adventures vlog as Margo and I explore the entire coast of Spain and Portugal, visiting various regions like the Basque Country, Cantabria, Asturias, Galicia, Andalusia. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more drone films and Iberian adventure vlogs. If you've ever been to Barcelona, let me know some of your favorite spots below. I'll leave a link to my Google master list of Barcelona of all the places I went and highly recommend you visit. Follow us on Instagram at ZITROVISION and Sealskin Music Official. I'll leave a link to Margo's YouTube channel as well. If you like the music in this whole vlog, most of it is by Margo herself, either as Sealskin or her new production Canto del Dragón that I'm creating all the video visuals for. Also check out the Canto del Dragón film I've created, a 90-minute visual journey of all my drone footage through Spain and Portugal from this entire trip if you want to find some cinematic teasers of what we experienced. Thanks for watching so far, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Ciao, amigos.